Good morning, everyone.
Morning. Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am.
ma'am.
So I was supposed to take a presentation today, no? So we'll give starting from first roll numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoever is there, start. I'll not call roll numbers, okay? You discuss it amongst yourself. I told like from the first roll numbers will start, no? Roll number wise. So see this presentations, the marks that I'll give, that will be included in the sessional, not sessional, internal assessments of your final exams. Okay, so take it seriously. And if you don't appear here, I will give you 0 there. And if you fail in internal assessment, even if you pass in your theory exams, if you fail in internal assessment, you will fail finally. Okay, so take it very seriously. This is so. Who are the roll number 2, Manisha Kumari? Then roll number 1 is also there, I guess. 3 3 is also there, Jivan Chetri. So yes, start giving, and whenever your time comes and it don't give, no, you cannot give later. Okay, that is the reason why I informed you long, like that day only after your exams were over. Or anyone who wants to give, you can give.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can give now.
yes, you can give now. Uh,
Okay, ma'am.
do you have a presentation, or have you prepared a
Mm,
presentation, or you will give like this only?
yes, ma'am. I prepare. I prepare.
Oh, okay. Then you share the screen. There is a button, no? On
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Shilin
Ma'am,
or your name. No, please mute yourself. Shalin, mute yourself, please. I'm not able to mute you. The background noise so much is coming. And you can give your attendance in the chat box, okay, everyone? Yeah, share it. We have so much. We'll have to finish it before. All the students, we have to finish it, no? There are many students.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am,
yeah.
it is visible.
Yes, 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 yes. We can see it.
Okay, ma'am. Mm,
Just show your
Good
yes,
morning.
first page once. Yeah. Morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. I'm presenting on the topic body fluid and circulation. In this contents are introduction, blood, limb, circulatory pathways, uh, double circulation, regulation of cardiac activity, disorders of circulatory system. Introduction. So what we are going to talk about in body fluids and circulation. Now we all have a basic knowledge of the human circulatory system does. It basically circulates the different substances throughout our body. Throughout our body, and basically and now, whatever we talk about the circulatory system, the first that comes to our mind is blood. So, blood as a fluid which flows throughout our body. That way, it helps to transport substances from one part to a body to another. Now, now we are going to talk about body fluids, the fluids which are present inside our body, and and of course, one of them is blood. But even other than blood, also we have another body fluids present inside blood as well as lymph. Mm, So lymph is another body fluid which is present. When I talk about circulation, I am basically talking about the internal transport in animals. So so animals means on animals, not only human beings. So each and every organism living needs all the minerals, nutrients, and water, and whatever is required for their survival to transport to each and every part of their body. Uh, so here we will uh, here we will talk about the circulatory system, who in the circulatory system actually helps to transport. It would be the body fluids. The question is, what do we mean by internal transport? So it is nothing but transport of oxygen, water, food, hormones, etc., to different parts of the body. Mm, so if you look at it, all of those are essential. All of these are essential for the survival of life. You need oxygen to survive. You need water to survive, and you need food to survive. So all the things which are required for an organism to survive, they should reach different body parts, because each and every cell of our body need them. They can need them. So so internal transport is transport of all those important substances. They may be fluid like water, they may be gases like oxygen, or they may be food. Now the question is, who transport who who transport throughout the body? The answer is going to be body fluids. As I said, there are some fluids which are flowing throughout our body, and when they form one part to another, they carry themselves all the required substances. So the best examples are would be blood. It is not the only fluid present in our body. Even lymph is another fluid which is present in our body, and this also helps in transporting substances from one part to another. Uh, mm, now, how is the process of transportation governed? That the good blood should reach different tissues of our body, and the bad blood should be thrown out of the body. So how that governance state takes place, that is what we will see when we will talk about the circulatory system in detail. That how exactly this body fluid carry its substance from one part to another. And the last one is the circulatory disorders. Circulatory disorders. Uh, as I as I as I said, circulation is extremely important because if proper circulation does not take place, there will be many parts of your body which will remain deficient in a lot of things. Maybe some part of your body might be deficient in water. Now look, sufficient water is not made available. Some of the cells might dehydrate. So those are known as circulatory disorders. That means any problem with the functioning of the circulatory system, whether it is problem in the body fluid or it is with any other part of the circulatory system which is not functioning properly, that can lead to circulatory disorders. Mm, Blood. Mm, the first body fluid, and the most important body fluid, that is blood. So what is blood? Blood is nothing but circulatory medium. It is basically the medium on the means of the internal transport. It is a fluid connective tissue. Now we all know why blood is connective tissue. Connective tissue, the word itself says that it is that type of tissue which arise to connect different parts of the body. So some of the examples of connective tissues are like bones, ligaments, etc. They are all examples of connective tissues. Mm, because they tend to join different parts of the body, and that is how they join and form the skeleton of a body. So similarly, blood is also a connective tissue in the sense that it tries to connect different parts of the body. If you see the blood flows throughout a body, it is a, it is actually connects all the parts together. uh, that is how blood is a fluid connective tissue. So if you talk about the composition of blood, it is almost 78%. It is almost 78% water, most of a water, and only 22% is solids. And what do we have in 22% of solids? Now this 22% of solids contains a lot of proteins. It also contains a lot of minerals. It contains again lipids as well as amino acids, glucose. Um, so many different variety of solids are present in this 22%. So if you see blood is like it is almost like water. Proteins, minerals, lipids, amino acids, glucose, all these together becomes blood. Now you might wonder, then what it is the color of blood, why it is the color of blood is red. Now the color of blood is basically due to the presence of a pigment called hemoglobin in blood. So hemoglobin is red in color, and hemoglobin gives in part of red color. Now, as I said, it connects different system of the blood by transporting gases, digested food, hormones, and waste materials to different body parts. It is something like this. For example, when we eat, when we eat food, we eat it through our mouth, right? But it not only that on that only our mouth eats food. uh, so then we chew the food, we swallow it, gets digested in the stomach and and small intestine. And there in the small intestine it gets absorbed. Now the food is has been absorbed by this uh, small intestine, but it is that only small intestine cells need food for their survival. The entire all the cells present in our body, starting from our head to tone, all of them need the nutrients. Those nutrients need to be transported everywhere. Similarly, all the cells undergoing various process inside there. So all the cells will come out some waste materials as a result of those process. So they went to dispose them off. So what do they do? They also send their all waste materials to the blood, and blood carries them to a appropriate place. So that is how blood acts as extremely strong connective tissues, which flows throughout our body and which connect different parts of the body together. Mm, Thank you.
Okay. Good. Next. Next. Okay, you can stop sharing, no? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm. Don't make me call out names again. Just give it one by one.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
I will share now.
Oh, okay. What is your roll number, Kali?
My roll number is 29, ma'am.
29, okay.
Should I wait, ma'am?
No, 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 you give. I was just asking to give it like roll number wise because otherwise people will like push one another, no? If you want to give before, then it's well and good. And if you want to give roll number wise, so it's okay. Okay.
Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Karli Game, and today I am going to give a presentation about blood. It is a type of body fluid. So, all living cells have to be provided with nutrients, oxygen, and other essential substances. Also, the waste on the waste or harmful substances produced have to be removed continuously for healthy functioning of tissues. It is therefore essential to have efficient mechanism for the movement of these substances to the cells and from the cells. Different groups of animals have evolved different methods for this transport. Simple organisms like sponges and the coelenterate circulate water from their surrounding through their body cavities to facilitate the cells to exchange these substances. More complex organisms use body fluids within their bodies to transport such materials. Blood is the most commonly used body fluid by most of the higher organisms, including humans, for this purpose. Another body fluid, lymph, also helps in the transport of certain substances. Now, the blood is a special connective tissue consisting of a fluid matrix, plasma, and formed elements. Plasma. It is a straw-colored viscous fluid constituting nearly 55% of the blood, and 90 to 92% of plasma is water, and proteins contribute 6 to 8% of it. In this picture, this yellow or straw-colored substance is the plasma. There are three major proteins in plasma. They are fibrinogen, globulins, and albumins. Uh, as you can see in this pie chart, albumins constitute 60% of it, globulins 35, and fibrinogens 4%. These three major proteins play a very important role. Like fibrinogen are needed for clotting or coagulation of blood. Globulins primarily are involved in defense mechanism of the bodies. Albumins help in osmotic balance, and the mm, and the plasma which lack fibrinogen or the clotting factor are called serum. Now, formed elements. There are three types of blood cells: erythrocytes or red blood cells, leukocytes or white blood cells, and platelets or thrombocytes. Together, they are called formed elements. Now, these are the pictures shown here. This is erythrocytes, this is thrombocytes, and this is leukocytes. Now, erythrocytes. It is the most abundant of all cells in blood. RBCs are formed in the red bone marrow in the adults of humans, and RBCs are devoid of mitochondria and the nucleus in most of the mammals. Because they lack mitochondria, anaerobic respiration takes place. They have a red colored iron containing complex protein called hemoglobin, which is the reason why the red blood cells are red in color. And as you can see in this picture, it is biconcave in shape. Next, leukocytes or white blood cells. They are called white blood cells, but actually they are colorless due to lack of hemoglobins. There are two main categories of this white blood cell: granulocytes and agranulocytes. As you can see, uh, eosinophil, basophil, and neutrophil, they have granules inside them. These three are called granulocytes, and these monocytes and lymphocytes, they lack these granules, so they are agranulocytes. Now, thrombocytes. Uh, Thrombocytes help in blood coagulation or clotting of blood. It is very important for our survival. Blood normally contains 1,50,000 to 3,50,000 platelets. Thank you.
Okay. We have time, I guess. No, next. We'll give next. See, you give one by one. No. So, again. Jivan Chetri, what happened? Your roll number was like 3, I guess. No. You should have prepared for today. Then roll number 1. Roll number 1 is absent. So, anyways, roll number 1 is there. Then 2 gave. 3, 4, 5, 6. All these. Where are they? Yeah, roll number 6 is also here. Yamang Saro.
Ma'am, I will give my sister number to you.
Your sister's number.
Ma'am? Yeah, ma'am, because I can't make in my mobile. That's why.
Oh, no. Ask her to like join this one, no? No, it
Ma'am,
was.
today I will give her number because I can't do in my mobile. Yesterday I have messaged you, ma'am, which topic I need to do then. After that I have tried in my mobile then. There is no storage and there is no I have means no this one no space to download it. I can give you a screenshot also. Ma'am, I will
Okay.
give today.
No, you will give from your sister's mobile, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, so okay, no need of giving me her number. You can join from your sister's mobile. When from next class you'll give, I guess, no?
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am. I will give in.
next class you give from your sister's mobile. You join from your sister's mobile. Don't means in this meeting, okay?
Ma'am, then I can share this link to my sister, or I can,
Yeah. You
or
can
I
share.
need,
You can no. You can share this link to your sister.
or then I no need to give her number, no, ma'am.
No need. No.
Okay, ma'am. I will.
Yeah.
মেম মেম কপিত লিখিও সাবমিট আপোনাৰ প্ৰেজেন্টেশন দিব পাৰিম না
পাৰিবা খালি যদি see if you don't give PowerPoint presentation then you have to show your face, okay, because we will be only seeing the or we'll be only listening to the audios, no. So if you give PowerPoint presentation then just share your screen, and if you don't give PowerPoint presentation you write in your copies and whatever, then you have to show your face and explain, okay. You have to keep the camera on, video on, if you write in your copies and stuff like that. Okay, so cost of যদি তুমি তেনেকে কপিত লিখি দিয়া তেন্তে তোমাৰ কেমেৰাটো অন ৰাখিবা, so it will be okay. And if you can prepare presentation, you prepare it. So anyway it will work. So and just take a topic, okay. No need to make so long.
ওকে মেম
Today both are good, so that much only, like whole chapter if it is like long for you then no need to make the whole chapter. Just take a topic like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes also. If you present, that will be good. Okay, so from next class this either discuss amongst yourself and 3 or 4 students at least prepare. At 4 I'll take 4, at least 4 students keep prepared. Otherwise I'll just ask the like roll number wise, I'll ask again Jiten Chetri and all those people, okay, because I have no one to blame. I'll blame the roll number starting from the beginning. Either you discuss among yourself and decide who gives, or I'll ask roll number wise, okay. So and I will not like I'll not be calling names and asking you to give, no, you have to give one by one, okay. And if you have not given your attendance yet, please give it, and if you have given, can leave, okay. Next class be prepared.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.